some slight headache, but I think we are very fine. We be out for Germany, but and was a shake cardigan in Zuka territory.
Is that what do me?
No, some go back experience here. I want to go there.
So Manchester. Masaba me deep.
Who do you have many days?
I've been 7 days or so.
Now 7 days or so. Is enough to acclimatize to the weather. It's a sank had the
I can normal.
I sank for 4 miles. You move the sank your pet cardigan dish and pay. But then again, and I think we were treated to so we are neutral. The kind of football that we were treated to is probably the best kind of football I'll be as a neutral. To be very honest, the game that went on at the Santiago Bernabeu, no, Madrid Fono did what usually they don't do. Who say only Madrid ever when the game gets difficult, who opponents no usually who attackers no ana etomoso. Then who opponents remember 6 chances. Then Madrid will end up winning the game because they convert their chances later. But if you look at the beginning of the game, Dayo Upamecano, chance aba, wabase, you know. Then from there, Madrid begins to get a lot of turnovers, and that was the game plan of Madrid. Say Bayern will play their football, but see a tiny ball over. Now Madrid ever been ball now. That is where you know that football club Real Madrid are dangerous to play against, because in that instance, they convert those chances. But it didn't quite happen for football club Real Madrid. And I think there are certain reasons why we should talk about that. Yeah? The variables now, Emma Obi winning a football match in the Champions League at this level, no? Edoso. Who's there? And nothing I adding for teams to control a game wherever in the world. And more so at a place like Santiago Bernabeu for 90 minutes. Because the variables are too many. Miscontrol of a ball. Goalkeeper. Okay, when Bayern in Madrid ball the last time under Thomas Tuchel. Then there was a shot from Vinny Jr. also. And a manono ya kwe na neda pomu. Oye so chibo na ball. Okay.
Yeah.
And a spele. Then Hoselu free no be cartoon. Does Manono make those mistakes on a regular day?
No.
Absolutely. He does not.
I know it's super.
So that's what I'm coming there. Say, in a game of football, and when we say game now, I'm saying, Vincent Kompany approached the game in the best way he could approach the game. Now, why am I saying that? Like I'm saying, it is difficult to have a control match, 90 minutes. So they are blast the whistle to the end of the whistle. Una who control game, Rich. Una who control match, who receive ball if you say it is difficult to do that. So what Vincent Kompany did yesterday was very interesting. And after the game, when I heard this from Vincent, I said, he is getting to wherever he expected to be. See, on his 100 game in charge at football club Bayern Munich, of course, Friday and the 40th birthday, I tried to separate out things like that. And my imminent birthday, this isn't over. We won't be too euphoric. And if someone's celebrating a birthday with some important games to go, well, my birthday is not important at all. If my guys win the game next week, maybe I'll have that feeling to go and celebrate. And this is what Madrid does to you. What could if you are saying 2-1 crown? You begin to be a little bit careful. We had the same lineup that we expected to come through in the game. Arnold, Rudiger, Militao obviously came Efrimu. Of course, Wamba lineup, Primu, Heisen, Carreras. Then you had Valverde, Chimeni, Pitak, and of course, Ada Gule, Mbappe, Vinicius Jr. 4-4-2. And for me, I think Abeloa lost the game. One Sheni Abeka said tactically he's not a good manager, but I think he set up Madrid team here. But the downside of the tactics, football tactics near 100%. You give some away and you take some. So at the end of the day, you ask yourself, then what do I want to give away on the field of play? You weigh those two, no what you see baby. Of course, Bayern bomb a regular formation as we know with the same starting lineup. You remember last time I told you about the young boy called Alexander Pavlovich. And now people are mentioning Michael Olise, Manon Noya, but for me, again, for the third time, for the third season, 2 seasons ago, no call first time. No. For the second time, our call Santiago Bernabeu in the midfield. Alexander Pavlovich ran it again.
Every 50-50 ball.
Yes.
And
Ukraine many edgy ball no ball because Alexander Pavlovich and minimum for the on the ball attributes. See kita ball and recycle play. But for everything that Vincent Kompany did in terms of the movement control and then winning of it, no, it was hinged on this young man Alexander Pavlovich and running 11.80 kilometers. The highest ever than anybody on the field of play was our brand friend Alexander Pavlovich, and he made that happen. And this is it. Catch your stats and they say, for me, Vincent Kompany's game plan was to control the game in moments. One team control game in 90 minutes. It's difficult in the Champions League competition, and more so with the Santiago Bernabeu. So what he did was that in certain moments of the game, he was able to do that. I don't have too much empirical data to back, but for the goals that were scored, first one, your starting game is Oshaya. Now Bayern only are very aggressive. We had the better chances in the opening of the game. They were pressing high. Most of the ball now were from turnovers across the 18-yard box. Madrid side on. Then the later part of the game, about the 41st minute, Vini gets a ball in the center circle area. He's being closed down by your friend Stanisic. Winnie ball on the back. Now look at this from Bayern Munich. And I highlighted this. Say Adiabako and my Bayern for only very strong. It's the work their wingers do with and without the ball. And they say, oh, per winger, you want somebody that will be able to work without the ball. But say, the same person should not shirk their responsibilities. So when Bayern won the ball from here, Luis Diaz he made the run. Constantly making the run to this area. Abra said J ball. They knew so okay, fine. Once Harry Kane will receive the ball, there will be a lot of Madrid players around him. Only Madrid, Bayern team here very, very good and exciting to watch. And even though we need a strong defense, you should be very careful. On the front four, Olise, Gnabry, Harry Kane, and Luis Diaz. All of them are technically very good to the extent that Senipo Aku receive the ball now. You can have almost 4 Madrid players historically trying some of the finish them. And that's exactly what happened in this case. Harry Kane yenya ball now. Will draw Antonio Rudiger next to him. Trent Alexander-Arnold is defending Luis Diaz, but also defending the space. By the time the ball goes to Harry Kane and he turns, all of the attention. 1, 2, 3, 4 players from Football Club Real Madrid trying to make sure somebody ball. But for me, this is where Luis Diaz ended the big backs at Unya. The bending of the run. So also run here. On himself, or your least mistake of offside. So he bends his run towards Abrantia Feno, Trent Alexander-Arnold, just so he stays onside and then goes on to slot in the very first goal for Team My Friend Football Club Real Madrid by Bayern Munich. And look at the numbers of the 3 attackers. Bayern team.
But only defense in the air.
Madrid is
I think I'm not about Madrid and say the number 9 present.
Yeah.
I don't know how. Sometimes one about 80 about in Kylian Mbappe is nowhere to be found. Sanya sometimes you Pamecano no mo ye no chiro no. Jonathan Tam mo ye no. On a good day, Sabranteno finding the feet or the groove more but simple.
Oh, but and almost almost good day and almost share Madrid. They would have blown Madrid away before.
That is why I make say, oh, another second league above.
Oh, Madrid.
This is Real Madrid.
Wait, almost forget about it. I'm telling you.
Are you saying it's a tie dead?
I told you yesterday that the tie will not be dead there, but the best Madrid could get would have been a draw. Well, lose who had Allianz Arena. They cannot.
Real Madrid has 7 years ago.
And now I'm no boy there.
First league.
And exactly.
You're another second league, Babo.
2 seasons, 3 seasons.
You Pamecano ni Jonathan Tam ye what
last season Arsenal chine born 2 was a 3 were Emirates. Was over Santiago Bernabeu. No was Kata Stadium. Said no munya so kata. Kata bi omoji. And now I'm so Kata Stadium so. And now I can't so Kata Stadium go stadium so kata o. Arsenal for Baduma kata. Na Arsenal for crank Daniel Bomo 3. please, it is.
But two teams need to be a defense in 2 porous.
Exactly. That
be a defense.
And then I make a choice. Say, we call Alliance Arena with the defensive issues. You have defensive issues. Which again, did you realize the second goal now Bayern almost 10 seconds into the second half? From generally into the first minute. This is 40-10. 10 seconds. One who very Canadians, the same gentleman I spoke about, Pavlovich Kimmich, aggressively winning the ball in this area. Almost swimming over winning ball from Musemo. Once they win the ball, they transit. Again, I told you about the importance of the technical players that attract players towards them. This case, it is Michael Olise. Now, say, almost they are again 4 Bayern Madrid players, Rich, and a war a brand here, a friend, Michael Olise. Rich, look at this. When want to come show? There be new space now.
Hurricane.
On widening.
The
widening.
Or fair pass.
We're beginning, sir. So the players that Madrid attract towards Bayern for attraction, I must space can see that, and Hurricane has spotted it. Which Hurricane is brilliant. Every center forward have been here.
And no about one is in the Agonian.
And now man in the other box him.
Charlie.
Hurricane stays at the edge and acts for the ball. And then now he passed it into the net. Just look at the space and how Hurricane and now it's me Bob on the 2 nets. Solely. Voice they say Michael Elise, I say Mountain Canasem.
I ran to know, Mr. England. May there be a me, yes, sir. My own Manchester United, you jab ran to you, man, coy. Minimum Bobo. But a call Bayern.
Yeah.
Is that ran to a different animal?
Now, some put a
beast.
Mupo, they say release a conversation. I'm Chelsea could trigger release clause. And almost say salary.
If you are renting Bobo.
Yeah, he's a top.
Only listening Bobo.
Top
player.
Yes, yesterday he showed it again.
In the game. Now, Arsenal could share 1 year.
So they don't worry, and he showed it over there. So I catch you say the game that Arsenal are going to play away from home at Sporting, it's not going to be an easy one, and you ought to be careful. Sporting phone showed exactly why they're a difficult team to play against, but Arsenal stopped their unbeaten run by making sure that Kai Havertz ball will get a job done. This was the game, and killing me investors because that we needed just an Arsenal or draw over 1.5, but that did not happen. And we are going to the Spotify Kompany and a football club Barcelona and a Atletico de Madrid and a ball on. Which I told you when we returned from the international break, say there were 3 games, first, second, and third. 1 in the league, 2 in the Champions League. Yaboli the and of course football club Barcelona won that game. There is the next game to play, and then that goes on with the Spotify Kompany, which is going to be a very good one. Which I don't know make assembly. Yeah, so what's your Atletico versus Barcelona first half now? You would understand why it is a banana skin for Barcelona as a game. Because there were a lot of chances from Atletico Madrid for they created loads of it, almost winning a lot of duels. They took the game to Barcelona for to be able to win the game from them. But again, as it has been the problem of Atletico Madrid for a long time, and team be on the Barca won't convert to chance on your clinical, no, they'll hurt you. And Atletico same over the weekend got good chances, could not manage it, and then again in terms of 90 minutes game management, you can't trust Atletico say Obebo Bono even and end it with 11-11. Your ball game na Nico Gonzalez could do red card. Then the game becomes more defense versus attack. Barca turns it around. Whilst at the Spotify Kompany this season, Barca and Lucy match in the last 2 quarterfinals, Atletico and Barcelona Bono. Atletico have been successful against Barcelona. And that is where they are coming from. So Diego Simeone, he said the same thing I've said on the pre-match press conference. He said, team attacking you, and sometimes on defense is problematic. And of course, that is why he'll be looking to exploit the game. It is a one Garcia will be imposed. Pau Kubasi, Gerard Martin, Joao Cancelo, Joe Koundé, Eric Garcia, We're expecting say Pedri, Fermin Lopez, Lamine Yamal, Lewandowski, and then Marcus Rashford. Marcus was solid together with Abrante friend Joao Cancelo on the left-hand side in the very first game. For Atletico de Madrid, it's the same team, 4-4-2. Ruben Lenormand, of course, you're expecting Molina to be in pose. They were expecting Loriente and Abrante friend Cookie or Parker in Fiifi. And then Mola Lukman may come in. And of course, we're expecting Guillermo Simeone to get a job done there. Barca Beshe. Barca beats Atletico Madrid at home. If you are not too careful, you can go for your goals or go in there. But Barca will win this game at the Spotify Camp Nou, and I think that they are going to eliminate my friend Atletico de Madrid. We are getting a repeat of Paris Saint-Germain and Liverpool happened last season. Last season, Liverpool phone and Dan Jane was a Paris Saint-Germain phone the and Ancelotti obviously will feel like there's a chance for them to do things right. Almost quite away. I would have packed the Princess to go and play against Tima, their friend in Liverpool. The good thing is that Abrante friend Alexander Isak are back, and according to Ancelotti, he can be a part of the game and he can play a part. For Paris Saint-Germain, we know how they play. Liverpool season now a little bit up and down, a little bit wishy-washy kakra, and then Sedan call smooth as he expected to be. He expected that we'll have the same backline of Hakimi, Marquinhos, Pacho, and Mendes, then Sofonos, better Podin, Jean Neves, Vitinha, Zwaizar, Emi, Desire Doué, Dembele, and then Abrante Vicha, Kvaratskhelia. Then on the part of Liverpool, Georgie Mamadashvili, Konate, Virgil van Dijk, Kekes, and Abrante Jeremy Frimpong, then Ryan Gravenberch, McAllister, Florian Wirtz, Szoboszlai, Salah, and Abrante Hugo Kitike, El Honum. What is certain at the Parc des Princes is that there are always goals. The two teams, we expected that at least there's going to be an over 1.5 from there. Which, when you look at the way Paris Saint-Germain for the ball, when they play at home, I think Liverpool leave a lot to be desired or Park in Fiifi, and they are going to dominate it. I also do expect the Paris Saint-Germain match against Liverpool. The most shrewd form of bet will be a go again and over 1.5 possibly if you want to go to Bahamas. Liverpool for our favorites. Paris Saint-Germain for our favorites on Meshe. And then match here, Bono. Your friend is saying, the Parc des Princes. I'm expecting somebody winning this one. Rich.
Okay. That's it. Kofi, you're not saying who could be now. Okay, and if I come when minimum common kitu na Bismarck who should be Ayala and so Emra. The India code
my mouth codes kakane fikesi info fan ko fikesi. First one a BW 4C 31293E. Second one a BW 4C 3E1F13. Third one a BW 4C 3A316E. Fourth one a BW 4C 3A4768, and the last one a BW 4C 3A6D12.
Okay. Yenasina yentoje medeno sin shamanzo 4.5 Fiifi Manfred Edna Mate Nenkano